Okay, we're back, and we have the legs attached to the feet, and get it to where you can get both legs on their sides, and we're going to now put the brace using 4 bolts, 4 washers, and 4 nuts. So hopefully you can see this side. This is going to actually go on the bottom side. So let's go ahead and do it this way. And we'll put okay, that wasn't too painful. So we'll get the second one in there. Okay, and now we're going to attempt to do the other side. Or not attempt to do it, we're going to do it. We'll bring this out a little bit. Or actually, let's bring this side out. There we go. So we're going to put the bolt through the top. Okay. Do the second. That's pretty much it. Let me give you a bird's eye view. Okay, and give you a kind of close up to see what we did. Basically, you can actually just see, and this can either be the front or the back. It really doesn't matter, at least not yet. And we're going to do the back side just the same. So we're going to flip this around, and we're going to do the same process. So we'll go ahead and do that now. We'll tighten everything at the end, just so that we still have play to move it around. Alright, let's get the other brace. Just this one. And then get the other bolts. Again, we're going to use 4 washers, 4 bolts, 4 washers, and 4 nuts. And then we'll go from the bottom. So you can rest one side on top while you're putting the other side in. Kind of gives you a helping hand to hold it up in the air a little bit. Alright, that's one side. Go ahead and put this to the bottom. And that's pretty much it. We're going to stand it up, and hopefully it'll be a little bit easier. If not, we'll set it back down so that we can tighten all the bolts. Alright, so it should be a little bit more stable now. Okay, should look something like this. And we're just going to go in and tighten. Remember, you tighten it till you can't stop on your own, just regular pressure, and then just go a little bit more. So this is where it stops, and then just go a little bit more. I don't know if you saw that or not. Stops, And then just go a little bit more. Stop. And then go a little bit more. Stop. And then go. I wouldn't consider that a quarter of a turn. I went from like right here, oops, to like right there. It stopped, and then a little bit more. So kind of like where you see that. And this is like a good amount of pressure that I'm doing. On the little bit more, it's just trying to get that extra tightness. You don't want to rip it off the freaking threads, but okay, that should be well enough. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a whole lot more sturdier. That's a lot more sturdier. Usually you'll go back around everything after everything is already bolted down and just make sure everything's tight. That way you don't forget to do anything. So we're going to cut out of here, and then we're going to bring the next part or parts that is ready to assemble, and we'll show you the next step.